so I figured out what to do, and last time I did not go all the way over here, so now I did, and I got the guy, and now there's Bubbles, so now we are going. I actually had to watch PewDuckPie's video because I honestly didn't know. This is hard. No! I am back. Hello fish, hello fish. It's a fish song, it's a fish. It's a fish song, it's a fish song. What now? What? No. I can't do it. So we got back. Alright, this is what I did this time. I just read it and then went back and I tried everything. I had to go right there. Okay, and then it disappears. Okay. And I didn't know that. They should have made it more clearer. And then there's a save button, but I don't know how to freaking use it. So annoying. So it's like, what's the point? Oh my gosh! This part is so annoying. So annoying. It takes so long, and I can't finish it. And every time I can't save it, I have to go back and beat it all over again. How did I touch him? I didn't even touch him. Boom, I didn't even touch him. Oh. Ba-ba-ba-da-ba, goldfish. Yeah. I'm getting a webcam soon, HD one. I will be making chat roulette videos. And I'm getting Goat Simulator. Shut up, mushroom. Wait, there's one more? I thought that was 3 already. Come on. Thank you. Die. Come on, why does it take so long to go down? So long. I make it to the spot and it doesn't go. Come on. There's no pattern. You can't even. No. So scary. I made it. Oh, I thought I died. I was gonna say, like, I hate this game. Yeah. Wait, should I have went the other direction? No. What the? Oh! Lag though. Is this even possible? Like, come on. No! Oh my gosh, I don't like this part. I don't like this game. I don't like Okay. I don't even know what just happened.